The internet and the FedEx shipping makes it possible for brides today to buy dresses directly from overseas factories like Fabulous You to take advantage of the price difference. But this experience can be really intimidating because you have no idea what's going on after the order is placed, and the long waits can be really overwhelming, and you might be wondering whether or not the gown will turn out to be a good fit and look fabulous on you ultimately. It's always been our goal to build a business that is real, caring, and transparent. So today we would like to show you guys our story, and in this video clip, we're gonna give you guys a walkthrough of how your order is processed and how we work behind the website in a step-by-step manner. For starters, what we need to do is to put together this order form that details all the dress specs that have been confirmed by you. So both of us are absolutely on the same page about all the details and parameters. So whenever there is a problem, you can always refer back to this order form that keeps everything on the right track. When this order form is created and confirmed by you, it will go to our cutters who will cut the fabric based on the measurements provided by you. And one thing you might want to know is that our cutters will cut the fabric with extra fabric inside the seams that can easily be let out or taken in for as many as 1 to 3 inches depending on the dress style. When the cutter is done with his work, all the pieces of fabrics will be put together by our sewers based on the measurements you provide and the gown style you ordered. And in order to make a double sure the gown will turn out to be a great fit, our sewers will put together all these fabrics based on the measurements. And if the cutter makes a mistake, in terms of a measurement in the first stage, our sewer will find it out immediately. So basically the chances of the measurements being wrong are pretty close to 0. Once all the fabrics are put together by our sewer, we'll move on to the next stage of adding embellishment such as pleating, beading, applying lace appliques, and this is a really time-consuming and labor-intensive process. And and there is really no going back in most cases. What I'm trying to tell you is that oftentimes it's technically impossible to remove the embellishment that have been done on your gown. So if you really have a very rigid idea of the lace pattern or the types of the bead, that you would like on your own gown, it's recommended specifying it in the very beginning. Otherwise, we will do it the way we see fit based on our experience and the original design. And what we will recommend is checking out our Fabulous You official blog. That features some articles that you might want to check out and find helpful. In order to make sure what you get is exactly what you see, all our gowns site-wide are actual gowns made by Fabulous You. For custom gowns, we offer to take photos of the finished gown for your approval before we have it shipped to you. If there are details that you are not 100% happy with, we will have them altered for you with no extra charge. If we really fail to deliver the goods, we also promise to make you a brand new gown with no question asked. So purchasing with the Fabulous You is actually a risk-free experience. After we get to approve it, our quality control staff will make double sure that the measurements are correct. Match all the measurements provided by you. And also to make sure that your gown is free of lint and free of dirt. And our shipping department will use 5 to 7 traceable shipping methods such as FedEx, DHL, and TNT to ship the gown to you depending on your location. And so this is it. A couple days from now, your gown will arrive at your doorstep. I feel really bad when people associate buying dresses online with a risk. As an entrepreneur, there has always been this inner voice that deep down inside that keeps telling me, this can be our chance. to make a positive difference. If we can really make that happen, I mean, not only will we be successful as a business, we'll also be able to like change people's perception about it. I mean, buying dresses online and made in China. I mean, on some level, I mean, this idea is like really huge, and we got totally like motivated and thrilled by that. So we decided to give it our best shot, and fortunately, we have done, a pretty fabulous job and established Fabulously as a reputable online dress business.